Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I'm back again with a new video. So I'm going to be showing you makeup tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I'm going to do is keep my hair out of the way. I'm going to put the headband on, and then I moisturize my face with this Nivea face cream, and then later on I put on foundation. I mix two shades because neither of them are my shade, that's why. And one is like 338 spicy brown, the other one is like 330 toffee. And I'm gonna put it the lighter one first, and I'm gonna dip the darker one has the pump. I'm gonna use this pack brush which I bought from Amazon, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my face like so. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing all over my face real quick. And then I'm gonna do the dotting motion again on my nose and chin, and then blend it with my brush. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over my forehead, and I'm just gonna blend real quick. This is how I put on foundation every single day. Sometimes I don't mix the shade, I use the darker one, but I'm gonna use the lighter shade to cover up my dark circles. Like, I don't use any concealer or anything like that. And then I'm gonna take this powder and this powder brush which I bought from Karol, and this powder is from market. And this is how I apply powder. This is like really dark, that's why I like it. Otherwise I don't really find my shade pressed powder, so that's why I bought this one. And I'm gonna quickly powder my face real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up a little powder on my blush brush, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette by E.L.F. I've been using this eyeshadow palette since so many years, so I'm gonna pick up dark to medium eyeshadow and then put it all over my eyelid. And then I'm gonna take the darker shade and put it on the outer corners of my eyes. And now I'm gonna pick up my eyeliner, which is by Lakme, and I'm gonna eyeline real quick. I don't put on the eyeshadow on my inner corners to highlight. I don't do that, but people usually do it. But I just skip that and I do eyeliner. I normally do even more dramatic eyeliner. I like really huge flicked eyeliner, but for this video I'm gonna just keep it simple. And this is how I do my eyeliner. And after eyeliner I do my eyebrows. I do mascara. So this is by the brand Blue Heaven, and I'm gonna mascara all over my eyelashes real quick, because you know, when you apply foundation and powder, your eyelashes become a little like whitish. So I just like to coat with mascara. And this is how my eyes looks like now. Now I'm gonna pick up my eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, what is this, eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna just eyebrow pencil real quick, draw in my eyebrows. This is by Swiss Beauty, and then the brush which came with it, I don't know what it's called, and I'm gonna brush it like that. I'd never done eyebrows in my entire life. I'm kind of scared of it, so that's why I just do with pencil. And then I'm gonna pick up this random blush palette which I bought from Gaffar Market in Karol, and then I'm gonna use my pack blush brush, and I'm gonna put on the blush real quick. I don't like doing a lot of blush, but I sometimes do so much when I don't apply eyeliner. And I'm gonna take this highlighter from Faces Canada, which was a bit expensive. I would recommend you to buy from Amazon, which is much cheaper. And this is how I highlight the high points of my face, and I'm gonna just do it with my fingers. So I'm gonna highlight real quick, like that. I don't do a lot of makeup tutorials. I'm not really sure what should I tell and show you about, but as you can see, it's just a simple highlighter. So that is it for highlighting. Now I'll move to lipstick. This is, I don't know, random fashion lipstick which is from Tilaknagar Market. You can find the exact same lipstick on Amazon, but the Amazon one was a little expensive. It was for 250 and I bought it for 190. So this is the look. This is the completed makeup look. As you can see, I am done. I'm gonna just brush my hair real quick, and this is how I look. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Please subscribe, and I see you. Bye. Have a good day, night whenever watching.